Log into the Halifax Mobile Banking app. Hello everybody, today in this video we're going to learn how we can log in into the Halifax Mobile Banking application. So let's go on with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. So in order to log in into the Halifax Mobile Banking app, first of all, you need to have the application installed on your device. If you don't have it, just head over to one of the app store onto your device and type in Halifax on the search bar. After that, click on this first application that appears on your screen, so this one right here. After that, simply click on install and wait for the installation to be completed. After the installation is completed, just open the application onto your device. It may take a minute or a while for the application to be loaded onto your device. So in order to log into the app, on the very first home screen, you'll be finding this Let's Get You Sign In option. So click on this option. After that, you need to enter your username and password in order to sign in. Or if you don't have an online banking yet, you may just set up online banking. Otherwise, if you already have online banking provided by your bank, the details provided, just enter your username and password and click on sign in. After that, you'll be entering your username and password and logged in into your account. And that's how you basically log in into your Halifax account using the mobile banking app of the Halifax. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.